Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you format your flash drive, and if your flash drive is corrupted, so I will tell you that how can you fix that. So let's get started.
Didn't even get to bronze.
So first of all, I will open my computer. Here it is. Here is the flash drive. You can see. Now how to format this. First of all, you have to right click on this, and here is the option of format. Just click on this, and allocation unit size should be default allocation size. You can select FAT32 NTFS. It's your choice. I will go with the default and start. It's formatting. Wait. Now format complete. Here it is. So if your flash drive is corrupted, then how to fix that drive? Now I will show you the trick to fix the drive that is corrupted. The trick is 100% working. So first of all, I will go to search and I will search CMD, command prompt. After going to command prompt, I will enter disk part. Wait. Yes. Disk part. Enter. Yes. Now here it is. Now I will enter list disk. Now here it is. Disk 0, 298 GB. It's my hard drive, and disk 1 is 8000 MB. It's 8 GB. That is my USB flash drive. Now I will select the disk 1. So select disk 1. So it's showing that disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now I have to clean the disk. I will enter clean. It's cleaning. Yes, it is. Disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now our disk is cleaned. Now I will enter the command create partition primary. So it succeeded. After that I will format. So you have to enter format fs is equal to FAT32. After entering this, you have to enter quick. So it quickly format your disk. Where it is in progress. So yes, disk part successfully formatted the volume. After this, you have to active that disk. Enter active. So disk part mark the current partition on active. Enter assign. Yes, it is. Then exit. So yes, this is the best way to format your disk and to fix the corrupted disk, the corrupted flash drive. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe.